This is Dremal slicing software. It's purposely for Dremal, and it's their own slicing software they use. It's similar to Cura, but you have to slice manually. So it's different in its own way. Let me find my file. Defined. And as I can see, it's slightly big on there, so let me just check to see the scaling of it. Yeah, so let me just change it. So there we go, it's now the same as the other two. Alright, so once we've done this, we need to go to layer height, or the view mode, go to layers, and here we can see the layers here. So now, as you can see, we need to go and slice it after we've gone into view mode. So we go prepare, and here, adjacent to where the view mode is, you've got all these colours here which tell you what is what. On the model you can follow and see, so you know, we've got the helpers which are blue, so you've got this big blue support here which you can see in the middle. So, and goes all the way down to the base. But let's move on to the settings. So with the Dremal, it can automatically detect the type of filament you put in. It has special chips with the filament, so the printer automatically knows what filament you use and can change instantly to the settings for that filament, so you can print in. So you don't have to mess around with this at all. But we're going to be using Eco ABS, and here's you've got your selection of print materials that Dremal can use and manage materials. But below the material, you got the profile, which is the how much quality you want to put into the per layer. So we're using medium quality, so we're going in terms of Cura, it's the draft quality, so 0.2 mil in per layer. So that's what we want, because it's yet again, it's not the final thing. It's like it's a prototype. It's a demo. So as we go down, you've got the quality, so the layer height, the shelf, the infill, the materials, the speed, the cooling support, build plate, and special nodes. This is very similar to Cura, but this printer automatically knows what material it's going to be using once you put your filament in. So it will change the settings if you use a different filament, but this is what we will be using. So